and that's E, and that's N, and that's C, and that's Y.
Good job. Which letter is for Hayden?
This one.
Can you pick it up and show me?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what letter it is?
It's H.
H for what?
H for Hayden.
Good job. What other letters do you see? Is there a letter that's for Daddy?
What's this letter though?
Turn it around. What letter is that?
It's E.
You're right. Letter E for what?
For Dallas.
E for Dallas? No, E is for elephant.
E for F.
Do you see something that's for Daddy?
Here's
N.
Here's N. What's M for?
N is for...
Grammy.
No, G is for Grammy.
Yeah, G is for Grammy.
Do you see a D for Daddy?
Here's D. It's D for Daddy. Look at it.
Look at it. Wow.
It's behind down.
It's behind down? You mean it's upside down?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you see a red letter on the floor? What's the red letter?
I don't know. A.
Letter A for apple?
Yeah, letter H is for apple.
I love it.
I love apples, Mommy.
You love apples?
Yeah.
I do too. Do you see a light blue letter on the ground? What's that one other letter we haven't talked about yet?
I don't know. Z.
Z? Are you sure?
Y.
You're right, it's a Y. Good job. Look at all those letters. Did you know that all those letters together spell your name? Let's check. Look. H, A, Y,
E.
G, E,
E.
N. That spells Hayden.
That spells H.
H is right at the front, right?
These are my letters. Hayden.
That's for Hayden.
Yeah, that's for Hayden.
Say bye-bye, everyone.